Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn that how to download and install Microsoft Office for free. As you know, there are many people who cannot afford costly software, so this is for them. The first step is that you need to open this website. The link is provided in the description. Just click on it and this page will be open. Click on download Office deployment tool. So we will save it in a new folder. So this is Office deployment tool. Click on open, run as administrator. Click on accept, continue. Select folder that where you want to save this file. Okay, files extracted successfully. So this is the setup file and this is the configuration file. Now the main step in this is that uh, a new configuration file is given in the description. Link of the file. Download this configuration file and copy this code. Now open the original configuration file. Click on edit, right click, edit. Control A, delete the previous code and paste the new code that you copied from the file provided. Link of this file given in the description. You can go and download from there. Just paste this code and save this file. Now go to search, type cmd, command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Copy this address from the address bar. Copy. Now type here cd. cd means change directory. We are going to this folder. Paste the address, enter. Now this folder's address is here. Copy this command from the description and paste here. This command will download the Microsoft Office setup. Just hit enter and your setup will be starting to download. I have already downloaded the setup files. Uh, Download will take some time it depends on the speed of your internet. After the download complete, we need to run the setup. And for setup, we will go to the folder where setup is located. Copy the address of the setup folder. Type cd space address, enter, and paste this command for Office installation. This command is given in the description. Copy this code and paste here and hit enter, and it will start the setup. Setup is installing. It will take some time according to the speed of your computer. After the installation, you will go to the start menu and open the Microsoft Office. I have already installed this office and it is working fine. You can go to file menu and account and check the version. It's the latest version of Microsoft Office and it is completely free. So I hope you understand. Just go to the website. This is the first step, download the deployment tool and then download the configuration file. Link is given in the description. And then change the configuration file. Copy the code provided in our file and paste it in the original file. And then go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and type cd, copy the address of your folder and hit enter. And then you will copy paste this installation code command and paste it here. Sorry, download command, and then you paste it here. After download completes, you will copy the installation command and paste it here, hit enter, and the setup will start to install. So these are 2 and 3 steps for the installation of Microsoft Office. I hope that you will understand this, and don't forget to subscribe and share.